This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Selissa Taylor. An adorable home sitting atop a knoll with great outside space. A mountain view, covered porch and plenty of room for chickens, goats or whatever farm friend you'd like to have. Home has been remodeled and has an open floor plan. New kitchen, tile bathrooms, a wood-burning stove, new carpet in the bedrooms and a mini split system in a newly redone bedroom. This home is very cute and perfect for a full-time family. Minutes from Highway 1974 with easy access to Cherokee, Sylva, and Bryson City. For more information, review the details below or contact Selissa Taylor at 828-736-0877.